Today's lesson is a continuation on what we learned on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we talked about tax, tip, and discount. Today, we have three more percent applications. We're talking about commission, percent change, and percent error. Your notes look like this, but instead of putting the individual Google Slides into your drive, I actually want you to copy and paste the slides and put them on Wednesday's document. That way you'll have all of your percent application slides together. So let's talk about commission. Commission is a percentage of sales. And commission is what you earn as your salary if you are some kind of salesman or if you work in the sales force. So there's two types of commission. There's straight commission, which means the only money that you make is the percentage of what you sell. Examples of this might be artists who sell their artwork, musicians who work at playing gigs, or salesmen of really large ticket items, like for instance, realtors or boat salesmen. Commission with a base salary means that you get money just for showing up to work that day, regardless as to whether or not you sell anything. Typically, people who work with a base salary, typically not always, are selling smaller ticket items, things like phones or instruments. When I was in high school, I worked at a music store, and I got an hourly rate for doing things like cleaning and organizing music and doing rental contracts. But in addition to that, I also got an incentive to sell, which was my commission. So on top of my hourly rate, I also got 10% of anything that I sold. And that's what commission is a percentage of sales. So let's look at an example of straight commission. A real estate agent earns 5% of all sales. She sold $200,000 of homes this month. So what is her commission? She doesn't make any money for showing the houses. She only makes money if she sells the house. So our hidden question is, what is 5% of 200,000? What is 5% of 200,000? When we solve it, we see that her commission is $10,000. So Bella earned $10,000, and that goes in her pocket from selling this $200,000 home. If you have a base salary in addition to your commission, we need to add them together to find your total earnings or your total salary. So let's look at our car salesman. Our car salesman earns $2,000 per month. Maybe he's working on distributing flyers or making sales calls or cleaning the bathrooms. Maybe that's one of his jobs around the sales floor. So he does more than just sell cars. So his company is going to pay him for the time that he spends not selling. So he earns $2,000 per month, and also he gets 2% of commission on sales. So he sold $42,000 of cars. So we want to know what his total earnings are. So the question we're looking for is, what is 2% of 42,000? What is 2% of 42,000? That's going to give us his commission. That's the extra. We're going to add his base salary to the commission to find his total earnings, which is $2,840. Let's try this one together. Alex earns 5% on all computer sales plus, that's our operation, plus a base salary of $1,500 per month. He sells $5,925 in computers. So the first thing we want to know is, what is his commission? That's the percentage of sales. And then what is his total earnings? So first thing we need to do is set up our proportion to find the commission. He earns 5% of his sales. We need to decide which one is the sales, 1,500 or that 5,000 number. Well, he sells 5,000, so we're going to put that there, 5,925. Now you could, in your calculator, multiply 5,925 times 5 and then hit enter and then divide by 100. But the trick is, instead of doing that, you can take this 5,000 number and just multiply it by 0.05. When you do that, you're going to get $296.25. That's just the commission. That's just the extra. His total earnings is going to be the sum of his commission plus his base salary. When you add those together, you get $1,796.25.